Welcome, friends. In today's exploration, we're delving into the intriguing topic of manifesting a specific person into your life. But be prepared for a unique perspective that challenges common misconceptions. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. Hey everyone, this is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Manifestation that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. One of the most significant roadblocks to manifesting a specific person is the belief that it's an insurmountable challenge. Many individuals get trapped in the belief that the 3D reality they currently experience is an unchangeable obstacle. However, it's essential to understand that your external reality is a reflection of your inner vibration. Now, brace yourselves for an incredibly potent technique. This one requires reading between the lines. Remember the saying, love the one you're with. Well, if you're currently the only person in your life, it's time to use your body as an energy battery for manifesting. Create energy by giving yourself physical pleasure, focusing on the wish fulfilled during the energetic surge. This technique has the potential to make your specific person obsessively think about you. Love is the cornerstone of manifestation. It flows through every aspect of our lives, whether it's in relationships, careers, or financial success. Embrace love as the driving force behind your manifestations. Manifestation isn't solely about thoughts. It's also deeply connected to your physical being. The mind-body connection plays a pivotal role in your ability to manifest a specific person. It's well known that a healthy body contributes to a healthy mind. The energy you generate through physical well-being can enhance your ability to manifest. Incorporating practices like exercise, meditation, and a balanced diet can raise your vibrational frequency. This heightened energy can significantly impact your ability to attract your specific person. Consider this. When you're physically fit and emotionally balanced, you emit an attractive aura that draws people towards you, including your specific person. Your magnetic presence becomes irresistible. Confidence is an essential aspect of manifesting a specific person. When you're confident in yourself and your ability to manifest, you become a beacon of positive energy. This confidence radiates from you, capturing the attention of your desired person. To build self-confidence, start by acknowledging your self-worth. Focus on your strengths, accomplishments, and qualities that make you a unique and desirable individual. As your self-esteem grows, so does your power to manifest. Detachment is often misunderstood in the manifestation process. It doesn't mean you don't care about your specific person or the outcome. Instead, it involves releasing the desperate need for a particular outcome. When you're detached, you allow the universe to work its magic without micromanaging every detail. Think of it as planting a seed in fertile soil. You water it, nurture it, but you don't dig it up every day to check its progress. Trust that your intention is set, and the universe will bring it to fruition in its perfect timing. Quantum physics offers a fascinating perspective on manifestation. It suggests that everything is energy, including our thoughts and intentions. When you focus on a desired outcome, you send out specific vibrations into the quantum field. These vibrations attract similar energy patterns, eventually leading to the manifestation of your desires. Imagine your thoughts as ripples in a vast cosmic pond. Each ripple creates a resonance, drawing matching frequencies towards you. The more consistently and positively you send out these ripples, the stronger the resonance becomes, making manifestation inevitable. Now let's delve deeper into the law of attraction and how it relates to manifesting a specific person. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states that like attracts like. In simpler terms, the energy you emit through your thoughts and feelings attracts similar energy from the universe. Therefore, if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions related to your specific person, is a powerful technique that harnesses the law of attraction. It involves vividly imagining your desired scenario, as if it's already happening. When you close your eyes, and see, feel, and experience the details of being with your specific person, you create a magnetic pull toward that reality. During your visualization practice, immerse yourself in the emotions and sensations of being in a loving relationship with your desired person. This emotional charge sends a clear message to the universe, strengthening your manifestation. Affirmations are positive statements that help shape your beliefs and manifest your desires. When you repeatedly affirm your intention to be with your specific person, you reprogram your subconscious mind. Over time, these affirmations replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your desire. For instance, I am worthy of love and a deep, meaningful relationship with specific person's name. Say these affirmations daily, believing in their truth, and watch as your reality aligns with them. Neuroplasticity is the brain's incredible ability to rewire itself. It plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process. Repetition is a fundamental principle of neuroplasticity. When you consistently focus on your desired outcome, your brain creates new neural pathways. These pathways reinforce your beliefs and reshape your perception of reality. In the context of manifesting a specific person, repetitive positive thoughts and actions reinforce the idea that your desire is achievable. This rewiring of your brain makes the manifestation process feel more natural and attainable. Emotions are a potent force in neuroplasticity. When you emotionally invest in your desires, your brain adapts to match that emotional state. By consistently feeling the joy, love, and contentment of being with your specific person, you create a neurological framework that supports that reality. Gratitude is a catalyst for manifestation. When you express gratitude for the current blessings in your life, you raise your vibrational frequency. This higher frequency not only attracts more positivity, but also accelerates the manifestation of your desires. Begin each day by acknowledging and appreciating the love and happiness that already exists in your life. This practice opens the door for even more love to flow into your experience. Now let's discuss the essential elements of patience and trust in the manifestation process. Patience is a virtue that plays a significant role in manifesting a specific person. Understand that the universe operates on its timeline, which may not always align with your expectations. Be patient and trust that everything is falling into place, even if it's not immediately apparent. Impatience can disrupt your manifestation efforts by introducing doubt and anxiety. Instead of constantly checking for progress, focus on maintaining a positive mindset and nurturing the belief that your desires are manifesting. Trust is the foundation upon which successful manifestations are built. Trust in the process, trust in your ability to manifest, and trust in the universe's infinite wisdom. Doubt and skepticism can act as barriers, hindering the flow of positive energy. Visualize your trust as a bridge connecting your desires to your reality. The more unwavering your trust, the sturdier that bridge becomes. In time, your specific person will cross that bridge and enter your life. Self-love is a fundamental aspect of manifesting a specific person. It's essential to remember that you are deserving of love, both from yourself and others. When you recognize your inherent worthiness of love and happiness, you radiate a magnetic energy. This energy not only attracts your specific person, but also enhances your overall well-being. Engage in daily self-love practices, such as positive affirmations and self-care routines, to bolster your self-esteem. While it's crucial to focus on manifesting your specific person, it's equally important to avoid becoming obsessed. Obsession can lead to attachment, which can create resistance in the manifestation process. Instead, channel your energy into self-love. It's easy to become disheartened. However, maintaining a positive attitude is crucial. Understand that challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. Rather than viewing setbacks as failures, see them as stepping stones toward your ultimate manifestation. The universe may present unexpected twists and turns along your journey. These deviations can be blessings in disguise. Trust that these changes are guiding you toward a more aligned path, even if it doesn't seem apparent at the moment. As we near the conclusion of our exploration, It's time to prepare for the grand final, manifesting your dream relationship with your specific person. Create a dedicated space and time for your visualization ritual. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal relationship with your specific person. Feel the love, happiness, and fulfillment as if it's already happening. The more vivid and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger the attraction becomes. Continue reciting your personalized affirmations and declarations daily. These positive statements reinforce your belief in the manifestation process. Affirmations are like a compass, directing your thoughts and energy toward your desired reality. Express gratitude not only for what's to come, but also for the progress you've made thus far. Gratitude elevates your vibration and aligns you with the energy of abundance and love. A grateful heart is a magnet for more blessings. After pouring your intentions and energy into the manifestation process, it's time to release and surrender. Let go of any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf and that your desires are already on their way to you. In closing, manifesting a specific person is a profound journey of self-discovery, transformation, and love. It's a testament to the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. As you embark on this journey with patience, trust, and unwavering self-love, you'll witness the magic of the universe unfolding before your eyes. Remember that you are the author of your reality, and your specific person is but a character in your story. Embrace this journey with an open heart, and your dream relationship will manifest in divine timing. May your love story be filled with joy, abundance, and the fulfillment of your deepest desires. You must watch our latest video on the topic 5 mistakes you must never make when your speed pulls away. In this video, we will be telling about the transformative wisdom of Neville Goddard's law of assumption to guide you through the 5 mistakes you must never make when your SP pulls away. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey of manifesting a specific person. We wish you boundless love and success in all your manifestations.